Have yourself a merry little Christmas. May your heart be light in a year our troubles.
Hey guys, it's Kathy Shook coming to you live from one of our rehab projects in Boxford, Massachusetts, specifically 34 Glendale Road in Boxford. Nice, quiet little side road right in the West Boxford area, right off the West Boxford downtown, or if you call it downtown, it's very tiny, and about a mile from Smolak Farm. So here we are with, we're midway, almost towards the end, home stretch, of this project. That's taken a while because we couldn't decide, Alex and I could not decide what to do to this house. But we're keeping it as an original house as it was, as a cape. We were thinking about doing an addition and doing a second story and all this stuff. But we kept it as a cape because I think it's going to be really appealing to people who want a smaller house, just starting out, starter home, or downsizing. I think it's going to be ideal. And it looks super cute. I'm going to turn around the camera if I can figure out how to do that. So, all right, there we go. I turned it around so you can see it. And what I think is the funniest thing of all is our instant grass here. We've got grass, sort of, kind of, because, you know, you can't really grow grass in the winter. And it is December right now, and we just hydroseeded just the other day. So it kind of gives the appearance of grass, right? And I'm told that it will take root and it will be beautiful in the spring, and if it isn't, they're going to come back and rehydroseed. That's what I'm told. We're also planning on putting in a driveway, because don't you want to put a driveway in the middle of the winter? It's very fun trying to renovate homes in New England in the winter. But we did put some lovely landscaping in. I love this tree. Pretty cool. Nice walkway. And there you have it. Instant grass, and in the backyard as well, and mulch. Looking good, and we're going to go inside. All right, so we're inside the side door, and this is, we walk right into the kitchen, and love our floors, guys. Aren't these awesome floors? It's the newest thing in flooring. It's called cardboard boxes. Very inexpensive. Just kidding. There's hardwood floors underneath. We're protecting them with the cardboard boxes. So we've got the rough plumbing, rough electric done, just waiting for the building inspectors to come and approve it. And so we have the kitchen right into the dining area. We have this lovely little patio outside, a little stone patio, just a couple of steps down from a new slider, and a very private backyard. You've got nobody around you. I love it. And it's got that lovely green grass. I'm doing air quotes when I say grass. But it will be lovely in the spring when it comes up. So continuing into our cardboard flooring, into our living room. So we got the living room going on here. We're going to take care of this fireplace situation. I guess we discovered that there's an old firebox in it, which is our fire later or something like that. I don't even know what it's called. And it's not to code. It's very old. They put it in the 50s. Taking that out, kind of rebuilding the fireplace. We're going to have built-in shelves and cabinets on either side. It's going to look awesome. And here's the front door. We put a new front door in. And it's a really cute little house. You kind of come in, you have a little coat closet, little front hallway, and you have your nice big family or living room and your kitchen dining room right there. And we have two good-size bedrooms down here. One in the front here, one over here. They're going to be all nice and bright, painted white. We have brand new windows. Our bath it's coming along. Still, again, waiting for the inspections, but at least we have the tub. We have the tub in and the valve, and just waiting for the inspectors. So I'm going to go upstairs where hopefully there's some big changes. So as I said earlier, we were going to do like a pop-the-top type thing and put 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms up here and a bathroom. We didn't have the budget for it. It just didn't work out. So we instead just took what we had and made it into a master suite. So starting with when you walk up the stairs, this is going to be a walk-in closet right here, master walk-in closet, and we just totally opened up this entire upstairs. Before it was like two different rooms. You walked through one room to get to the other. Now we just totally opened it up. So it's going to be an open master suite, and we put in a full bath. Over here, a little linen closet right here. We got a room for a stackable washer and dryer right there, and we've got our master bath. We've got dual sinks going to be going in. We've got the tub in, and the toilet will be right there. Nice and sunny and bright. Love the headroom. We built a dormer on the back of the house so we could allow just for this bathroom space. I wish we had the budget to dormer the whole back of the house out, but we didn't. And this will all be closed up. This is your bedroom area. Oh, whoa, look at this. This is new for me. I have not seen this yet. I love it. We got a skylight in, guys. So cool. I love it. Look at all the light it's bringing in here. And it gives the illusion, too, without having to do a full dormer, it gives the illusion of just more space in this master bedroom. And for my cool sizzle feature, I don't know where it went, somewhere, hopefully, they didn't throw it away, but this is going to be framed up for a fireplace right there, right under the skylight. We're going to have an electric fireplace and built-in bookshelves. So how is that for a master bedroom? Can you picture this? Putting your bed right up against this wall over here, looking out at your skylight, having a fireplace turned on. It looks like a real fire. It gives off heat and everything. It's just going to look gorgeous up here. So this is going to be like the master suite. You could put a desk up here if you wanted to, have a little office. It's going to be awesome, awesome. So that is the house. We're a little more than halfway done. I know it doesn't look like it is, but it is. As soon as we get the sign-offs to with the plumbing and the electric, we're going to put the insulation in, wall everything off, and paint, and get our kitchen in. We've already ordered the cabinets. They're due to arrive in a week or so, and start rocking and rolling on this place. So that's Boxford. If you're interested in purchasing this house when it's finished, give me a call. I'm Kathy at North Shore Real Estate Solutions, and our phone number is 978-809-3999, or visit our website at www.nsresolutions.com. Signing off from our adorable Cape-style house in beautiful pastoral Boxford, Massachusetts. Bye, everyone.
Christmas future is far away.